Alright, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another cryptocurrency video. Today we're back with a $10 to $1,000 challenge, and as I said multiple times throughout this series, I'm in no way, shape or form any financial advisor, any professional trader. I'm just a guy trying to learn as much as he can and trying to make these $1,000. So here's what's been happening throughout the week.
So it's like 3 a.m. right now, but almost 3 a.m. So it's a lot to take in what I'm doing right now. On the left monitor, I got 2 long trades and TradingView analyzing both coins that I'm in a long trade on. I'm going to tell you all about it. So on the middle monitor, I'm watching CryptoFace. He's also in a few long trades, just doing his thing. And then on the right monitor, I'm playing Mirror 4, the cryptocurrency game. Tried to record a video for that, an in-depth review. So I'm kind of trying to level up my character to level 40. And then right here, obviously Bitcoin, just looking at what the big daddy does. But the coins I'm doing are Matic, Polygon, and Cardano ADA.
Alright guys, just wanted to do a quick update here. I've been in this trade since last night and I'm 13% up right now. It's been up more. I've been asleep. It didn't hit my take profit. My take profit was at 48,500. See what do the indicators say. Found a sort of top here, which is never a good signal. I don't know. I'm not gonna exit the trade yet. Yep. It's kind of going up. I'm 14.5% up. I'll wait for at least 20 and then I'll get out. Alright, should be good. So when all that was said and done, we're left with $87. I know, in like episode 4, I think I was over 100. I could have made it, but that's just kind of how it goes. That's how the cookie crumbles. You win some, you lose some, and when you lose some, you know, you're lucky. I'm lucky I wasn't liquidated, you know. It was even less, but I was able to get it up to $87. So guys, right now the times are very exciting and a very good trade is very close, and here's why I think that. So this is a new indicator. It's a premium indicator I've been given. I don't know if it's any good yet. I've been using it for a day. I want to use it a little bit more before I'm actually going to recommend it to you guys. So right now I'm not going to talk about it a lot, but let's just try and use it and see how it works, see if it's any good. But basically on the daily chart for Bitcoin, it's forming a cup and handle. A massive cup and handle is forming. And oh boy, am I excited about this cup and handle, because this cup and handle right here, if it really follows the principles of cup and handle, which is that the breakout is going to be as big as the downside from the resistance area of the cup and handle, which would put the price of Bitcoin, let's first see, the breakout is supposed to be around this area, so this would put the price of Bitcoin around $82,000. And then if we go, but also sometimes the breakout point, the breakout price will be only half of the depth. So half of the depth would be around here, around $69,000 to $70,000 per coin. Now that would mean we have a new higher high. That would be so insane. Am I right? Or am I right? That would be absolutely great. So I definitely want to trade this. As soon as it reaches like a point around here, I'm definitely going to trade this. I'm super excited about that as well. But if we go to the hourly chart, it's not looking too good. It's looking more of a coin that you want to short than anything else. Bitcoin doesn't look good when you look at the hourly chart, but 15 minutes, we had a big breakdown here. Fortunately, I got out of my trade from last night. I could have gotten way more gains if I only cashed out around here, but my take profit area, so let's just see, my take profit area was around here. I entered the trade around here and I never really cashed out. It started falling down, so it was really around 48,100 probably that I took some profits out, and that was not enough to get us over $100 again, unfortunately. So, but let's go to Binance, see what's up. For some reason, I don't know if this is for you guys as well, when I go to TradingView on futures, it doesn't want to open. Like, it just doesn't want to open. If I go to normal spot trading, it all works perfectly fine. But if I go to the futures, the TradingView part is just, it doesn't want to open. So I have to look at the original, and this is just not good for predicting price action. Like, I didn't even have volume here or anything. So, we're definitely going to put in a trade today for today's episode. I just want to get this series rolling, man. I want to get out as many episodes as I can, and I want to get to those $1,000 and then just create a mashup of episodes from one to the last episode, and then we have the whole thing in like one big video. But until we get there, I don't know, it's probably going to take a while. So let's just see. Let's kind of see what we have. Try and analyze as much as possible. I also need some RSI, so give me that RSI. Oh, we are underbought. on 15 minutes. Thank you for letting me know. That's why I need RSI. That's why RSI is so important. Like, underbought or oversold, whatever you want to call it, on the RSI means money. It means long trades. We're below the moving average, but then again, this is on the 5-minute chart. If I go back to the daily, let me just check the moving average. Yeah, we're above the moving average. We have crossed the golden cross on the daily. It's so bullish, man. We're gonna see a higher high, a new all-time high for Bitcoin. Probably, maybe even this month, man. It's the 19th of September, maybe even this month. If not, we're gonna see it in October, but I'm hoping we're gonna see it this month. So we don't have any bullish divergence right now on the volume. It's going straight down. So that's not a buying indicator. But what is a buying indicator is the underbought on the RSI. Then we also have a kind of top here from this indicator saying we are going to see continued downtrend. So I don't know. Again, as I said, I've only started using this indicator, so I guess we're going to see if it's any good. But going back to Binance, 47,300 actually. I'm going to put in a trade at 47,300 and let's see if the price falls down or if it's going to continue rising. I'm going to go in with half my Vault wallet, isolated, 25 times leverage. That should be pretty good. I'm going to pick also a take profit and stop loss. Very important. Always have take profit and stop loss. So I'm going to take profit at 48,300. I'm going to take my stop loss to 47,100. So I'm going to keep it a really tight stop loss. I'll be using quite a lot of buying power here. $1,000 buying power. Let's just go. I submit. Wait, I'm already in the position? Okay. Well, that's good. It's not seeable for some reason. I don't know if this is just my Binance or if it's the same for everyone, but I'm gonna have to put it in manually. So my entry price was 47,297. So this is my entry price right here. I'm gonna mark it green just so we know that that's the entry price. Now on 47,100 we have my stop loss, so if it gets to this point, the stop loss is going to be triggered. Obviously this is going to be red, and then my take profit, I'm not even gonna do anything for the take profit because most likely I'm gonna just use the either market or a limit order. So we are 1% up already from the trade I put in. So I haven't really looked at the close-up price chart on this indicator. I'm mostly relied on the oversold actually on the 15 minutes. So we're gonna be in this trade for probably 15 minutes to half an hour. Let's just see how it works out. The money flow is definitely not going in my favor right now. The money flow is saying we're going to see continued downside. I don't think we're going to see continued downside, to be honest. Again, this is on the 5 minutes, so it doesn't necessarily have to be true. So the longer the time frame, the more important the indicators become, really. But let's just kind of observe. See what's gonna happen. I'm gonna turn off my face cam just not to use up the battery too much because I don't know how long I'm gonna be in this trade for. I'm gonna let it roll, guys, and I'll be back with an update as soon as something happens, so let's just see. Well, right now it is going back up. Preferably what we want to see is a retest of the area that I've indicated, the little triangle. We want to see the retest of that in the next candle, and then from there it's probably going to continue going up if we see a successful retest. So yeah, still playing the waiting game. Continued uptrend, always love to see it, but we definitely want to see the retest. That will be ideal. Let's just kind of look and see. My exit is right here, but also my entry point was right here. So let's just extend the entry point so you guys can see in the time lapse how it's going. So initiate back the time lapse. No retest? Well, don't mind me. Cue the techno music, guys. It's only starting to enter the not overbought area on 50 minutes, but I can definitely see a continued upside. If we see these blue thingies, the blue candles means we have a trend reversal on our hands, so that will be absolutely epic. Right now it's getting a little bit green. Hopefully from the green it can go to a blue, and from a blue to a full green candle. That will be the ideal scenario here. But back to the time lapse. We're 4% in profit right now. I don't know, the money flow is not looking good. I kind of want to just take the 4% really and look for a new entry, maybe even for a short. But on the 1 minute, we're definitely turning bullish. See how it looks once it goes to red, we have the green outline on the red candle, then we have the blue candles, meaning a trend reversal, and then the green candles. The money flow is going in. The momentum is kind of stopping. It's almost even overbought on the 1 minute, but then again, the 1 minute chart is not that important most of the time. On the 3 minutes, we're just turning bullish now. It happened before. Then we had a rejection, so it doesn't have to necessarily mean anything. Then again, on the 3 minute chart, we got the moving average kind of reaching our candle. So with one more green candle, we're going to be above the moving average on the 3 minutes. So that will be absolutely amazing. And then after that, we're going to go for the 5 minute moving average, then the 7 minute and 15 minute, which are far away. On the 1 minute, though, we're above the moving average. So at least we're bullish on the 1 minute time frame. But anyway, back to the techno music. To see it, you love to see it, the big green dildos. It did go down. I could have just shorted it and entered another long here just like I wanted to, but since I'm already in the straight for this long, let's just wait it out, man. Let's just wait it out. I'll do something else in the meantime and let's just wait. Oh, guys, this is almost 10%. 10% is where I usually get out of the trade. Just check trading view. Dude, what is going on? We're entering overbought already. 3 minutes, we're above the moving average. Holy crap, what happened here? Get out of the trade. Give me the 10%. Thank you very much for your business, Bitcoin. I do appreciate it. And now I guess we're waiting for a new entry. What was this? Totally unexpected, dude. Totally especially with this downtrend here. It was so unexpected. But there you go. That's the waiting game, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're waiting for another long entry. Let's do this. Maybe wait for a retest for this area. I'm not sure. I just want to kind of wait and see what's going to happen. The wise choice by exiting the trade. About to enter a new one. I'm not sure if it's going to retest this area here, but it did fell down below this moving average. I guess we're waiting for the second, the 99 moving average to kind of confirm. This is 47,358. Oh, okay, never mind. You know what? I'll just put the order in, and if it fills in the meantime, then that's perfect. If not, we're just going to wait for a new entry. It's already been an hour and a half since I started recording this challenge, but I genuinely don't know where it's going to go from here. Like, look at the 1 minute. It's in the middle. It's undecided. Look at the 5 minute. It's in the middle. It's undecided. If we go to 15 minutes, it finally went above the undersold area. And it's looking bullish, but you never know. It might still go up until 47,800. So we still might have a little bit of a cheeky trade to put in right here. I'm going to just extend this 47,477. I'll go like this, even though it's not even the current price, just for good luck's sake. Let's just go and do this. Let's go. Again, I will mark our position with green. I will make it a little bit slender, a little bit more slim. So this is our entry point. I want to put a tight stop loss since I'm going to be AFKing. Probably I'm going to be away from my keyboard. So 47,477 is our entry price. So for 47,300 is going to be my stop loss. So that's minus 4.20 US dollars. As for the take profit, we're going to go with 48, just 48. There we go. That should be pretty doable. So anyway, back to the techno music and time lapse. Let's go. Would you look at that? I'm back to a 6.4% increase. Almost 7%. It's a big win in my book, man. It's not a lot in dollar-wise, but percentage-wise is what's important. So I've been already recording for over 2 hours, so I'm going to end the video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week for the new episode. And hopefully, one day, we're going to get to 1,000. Peace.